Christopher Phillips, Senior Superintendent of Police with responsibility for Area 5, and I'm here with the management team from St. Catherine South, as also our area crime officer. I'm at Caymanas Estate Country Club Phase 1, where we have a case of murder treating it. I can confirm that retired journalist Barbara Dale was today found dead in her house. What we're getting so far, she was last seen sometime after 3 yesterday, having a conversation with an unknown gentleman. Sometimes this morning, sometime after 10, residents who are used to a routine coming out in the mornings to check on them and to call to them, they never saw that usual activity, and so some residents went to check on her, where the lifeless body was discovered. We are following strong leads at this time. We have the full support of all the investigative arm of the force giving full support right now. We are deeply saddened by this. It's really a very horrible scene, and we really extend condolences to the media family at this time, because I know that she's well known in that circle. So we promise, we commit to giving our best effort to solving this case. In the same time, I'd want to use the opportunity to appeal to residents once more to be extremely vigilant during this festive season, and because based on what we're seeing so far, could be anybody else from this community, and so we just want to appeal to residents to be extremely vigilant. Well, I wouldn't want to get into critiquing whether or not any protocol was breached. On the surface of it, it's very worrying how things unfolded as to how that person got in. We are going to allow the investigative process to unearth all of that, and perhaps at another time we could give another full update on what we have discovered.
Could you say if she was shot, stabbed, or
initial assessment is suggesting that she was stabbed multiple times to the right side of her neck, and we suspect she was also hit in the forehead. Well, the vehicle is missing and her phone is also missing. But as I said, give us some more time. We want to dig deeper into this one, and we commit the full team, focus on it to ensure that this one is solved.